lost some love. Let's do this. You know we done. Run your field. These streets got my heart cold. What's up, nigga? Hardcore ain't got no feeling. I'm just trying to stack this money to the ceiling. Hardcore ain't got no feeling. I'm just trying to stack this money. Let's go then. Love. Do it, nigga. Do it, nigga. Do it, nigga. Do it, nigga. What's up? I'm catching on the scene like ooh. Hardcore in a bitch. Ooh. Like wrist. I hit it from the back. She like ooh, ooh. Coming up and sack. They like oh, whoa. Coming through the chat like ooh. Swear I got a pocket full of blue. I remember nights in the trenches. Oh, we can dunk in the kid. Come on. Do it. Do it. Do it. Whip it like. Let's go. Do it. Do it. Do it. Whip it like ooh. Send on my 10 toes. I'm from the jungle. Send me an angel. The streets got my heart cold. I lost some loved ones. You know we died down low. Send me an angel. The streets got my heart cold. Hardcore ain't got no feeling. I'm just trying to stack this money to the ceiling. Hardcore ain't got no feeling. I'm just trying to stack this money to the ceiling. Ride through the city with the hammer. Pull up on the ceiling of banana. Free my young niggas out the slammer. I'm just trying to stack this money to the ceiling. Come on. Nigga, come on. Got a nigga drinking on his ear. Take the bottle to the head to his ear. Come on. Oh, talk to him. What? That's how I was built. Come on. Bad bitch in a whip. She fuck me like milk. Come on. Lean so drip. Make us with a grip. Stay strapped, never slip. I promise that I'm sitting on my 10 toes. I'm from the jungle. Lord, send me an angel. The streets got my heart cold. What's up? I lost some loved ones. Yeah, I did. You know we done down. Lord, send me an angel. The streets got my heart cold. What's going on? Hardcore ain't got no feeling. Do it. I'm just trying to stack this money to the ceiling. Talk to him, nigga. Hardcore ain't got no feeling. I'm just trying to stack this money to the ceiling. You getting money, motherfucker, put your hands up. 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 Let's go. Nigga, what's up, nigga? What's up, nigga?
You know, we do it for the struggle, you know what I'm saying? Niggas in the chain gang.
Truly.
What the fuck going on? Niggas out here out on bond, on the run. Niggas on parole, you know. A lot of niggas dead. A lot of niggas fucked up, man. You know, nigga out here, nigga breathing this fear. I feel like a nigga deserve it all. I deserve it all.
Mr. Floor! My son, motherfucking bill! I deserve it all! You know you motherfucking deserve it all, nigga! Talk that shit!
I remember living in my car.
Say what?
Nigga really had to ride for a living.
Come on!
He at least it was so many shit. Just another buy some gas, some Popeye chicken. You know the feeling when you know what it paper. Gotta ask a nigga your life for a favor. That's a whole nother double swallow.
What's up?
You see all this, some of this all in my eyes. But I bring a nigga down to the Lord knows. And I don't see so-called friends on the go.
I deserve it all! If you deserve it all, put your motherfucking hands up right now! I deserve it all! If you trapping 7 days a week, put your hands up!
I deserve it all.
I deserve it all!
One motherfucking drill real quick.
We on the beat, bitch! Talk your shit! Do it, nigga! Do it!